trying to be normal. I'm always overthinking. I'm driving myself crazy.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Crazy House Saloon. My name is Melissa and I have an unboxing from Goddess Provisions. This is a company that does things, I guess it's supposed to release your inner goddess. I think they do different types of themes for the month. And this is going to be February 2022 Goddess Provisions. This is the very first box I have received from them. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open the box. I don't see the paperwork on top, but their website did show that the theme for this month is Digital Detox. So let's take a look and see what we've got here. First up is going to be a crystal or stone. So it looks to me like it is a tiger's eye. I'm trying to get better at identifying crystals and stones because I really do like them. But I'm sure the paperwork is going to tell us what that is. Next up, it looks like this is it says Chicky Botanica Forest Bathe Evergreen Mist. The next item is a wax stamp. So I've seen these and I've had, I have one. It's supposed to be like the one I have says lucky or something like that on it. But this looks to be like the third eye and a part of a moon. And then it also comes with 2 of the wax candles. So you can do, it has little design right there on top. But basically you're going to use these to seal an envelope or something with your stamp. Next up is some wild blueberry chocolate. So I'll have to try that chocolate out. Hide it from my husband. And then next up is Retreat Journal. It's part of Digital Detox, I guess. So the next item looks like we've got some pretty thick envelopes right here. Like almost cardboard. And some cards. Pretty cool artwork on that. Oh, I missed one. So I guess you can use your stamp to seal the envelopes for your cards. Those are pretty cool. And the last item that is in here is the little brochure, Reset to Refresh the Soul. So we have the magical memo cards, magical memo greeting cards. The value is $12. The wax seal kit, which is the stamp and the 2 little wax candles, and that is valued at $15. My retreat journal, which is this item, is valued at $22. The wild blueberry chocolate is valued at $7.20. This Chicky Botanica Forest Bathe Evergreen Mist is valued at $32. So that is an essential oil made up of, the writing is super small, so I'm not real sure, something cinnamon and orange. Something forest, cinnamon, and orange. Okay? So this is the red tiger's eye stone, and that is valued at $4. And then they have a saged spiritual tools for your mystical life, and it gives you a scan to have a free month and download the app, and that is valued at $12.99. I will provide the Goddess Provisions link below if you want to check them out. The box is $33 a month. So according to the retail value of each of these items, we have received more value than what we purchased the box for. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comments below or send me an email. My email address is in the description box. Until next time, y'all have a good day, and I will see you soon. Bye.